So let's take a look at the next tool, which is the Lasso tool. I'm going to go ahead and click up here, upload a new image, one that I just grabbed from the internet here. There you go. Okay, and then I'm going to take my lasso and I'm just going to make a sort of easy line right around here, outlining the area that I'm okay with changing, and then we're going to keep the rest of it as is. Okay, so then once you've selected your area, you just hit generate. And there's lots of things you can do to influence the output of this. It's going to just make a variation. This is a great way to have a look at facelift possibilities. So that's the first one. And if you change the base model that we have here, and we'll talk about models in a second. So models are where you've tuned the base AI model with a set of images that you pulled together. Model tuning is very, very powerful, and it's where you gather anywhere from 5 to maybe 30 images or even more than that, and then hit train, and then that becomes an element of all those images sort of carrying a weight to influence the output. So this is a BMW Vision X, has been put in a blender, mashed up, and then pushed out onto the front end of this Mustang. Can't really see that that's a BMW Vision X that did that, because you're looking for shape and form, and it's very much different than this one, for instance, or this one. So within just a couple of minutes, we've come up with 3 different options, and this is really easy to vary. This one's called Chinese Electrics. And you can even drop one here and use this as a style influence. See what that does.